born of a farmer. Okay, he's a born of a farmer, and near the Kanyakumari district there. And as a farmer, his journey started from the government school. Okay, he studied their education started from the government school. Okay, and then after he complete his graduation, the master degree, and the PhD in the specific topic. The specific topic is the aeronautical. Okay, it is necessary to educate about the aeronautical space. Okay, it is very necessary to learn about it. So because of them, his study started from a local school. Okay, and his complete his graduation in Madras University in 1980, and his complete his master degree in Bangalore in 1982, and then after his complete his PhD degree in special in aeronautical space research. Then it is in a city of Bombay. Okay, so it's a journey of this person. Okay, the name of them is the Kailasa Madhivo Sivan. Okay, he's a very great guy, and he because of the contribution, then after he joined ISRO. Okay, ISRO in 1982, and the journey of him. Okay, the three decade journey in ISRO. Okay, then after he become a chief of our ISRO. Okay, so it is because of the contribution of his work, he take out many awarded. Okay, many awarded, and his great work. Last time we already seen that last time, the Chandrayaan 2. Okay, which is the great contribution of him. Okay, it's the Chandrayaan 2. It's the one of the dream was him. So it's, and he wants to complete it, but the 95% it is complete. Only 5% it is fail. So because of the he again his dream to his dream to send a satellite Chandrayaan 3 in November 2020. It's a plan to send a satellite on a moon. Okay, Chandrayaan 3. It's a dream of this guy. The name of him is Kailasa Madhivo Shivan. Okay, we already learned in a previous lecture. Okay, Kailasa Madhivo Shivan. So now we are on the chapter number 3. The name of its world festivals. Okay, festival, many different country, different peoples there. So their cultural, their tradition also different. So they celebrate their festival, different festival. Okay, the meaning of this festival is, some is the some is very important also. So different country, different states, there is a different types of festival also. And it's a festival very necessary to celebrate for anyone. Okay, it's a give us some special power. Okay, special power to us. Okay, so it's a change of our life, so it's a very necessary. So now we Okay, and it is in a subject GK. Okay, there is a one of the one. It's the food fight. It's a fight. Okay, festival but fight. Food fight festival held on the last Wednesday every August. Okay, it's a food fight. Okay, it's a fight with a food. Okay, it's a food fight festival held on the last Wednesday every August in the town of in the town of Bunol. It is, where is it? It is in Spain. Okay. Then again, it's a food fight festival held on the last Wednesday. Means the Wednesday of August month's last Wednesday. Last Wednesday then. The last Wednesday every August. Okay. Every August month's last Wednesday in the town of the Bunol. It's a Spain. Where is it? It is in a Spain city. So it's a, and the participant. Who is the participant in this festival? They throw tomatoes. Okay, tomatoes is the one of the vegetable. Okay, they throw tomatoes and get involved in this tomato fight. Okay, it's a festival but just like fight. Okay, and the participate in this festival throw tomatoes to each other and the get involved in this tomatoes fight. Okay, so it is in a, where it is? It is in a held on the last Wednesday every August in the town of Bunol. It's Spain. Okay, and participate throw tomatoes to each other. So it's what's the name of its festival? Okay, the name of it's La Tomatina. Okay, it's the La Tomatina. It's a festival. In this festival, participants throw tomatoes to each other. Okay, and they enjoy this game. Okay, and this festival. Okay. Now we are on the second. Okay. No one as a Fat Tuesday in English. Okay. No one is a Fat Tuesday in English is a carnival festival. Okay, carnival festival which is celebrated in many parts of the world. Okay, it's a carnival festival. It is a very important festival and which is celebrated in many countries, many part of the world. Okay, so it is known as the Fat Tuesday in English. Okay, and the colorful parades. There is a parade. People wear colorful clothes and they are going out and on the road they are doing parade and take over the city of New Orleans with a song, music and dance. Okay, so in a carnival festival which is held in many parts of the country, many parts of the world. So they wear different colorful clothes and they going to in a parade and they ornate and they ornate with a music and dance. So this festival is one of the most popular traditions in that performs. Okay, it is one of the most popular. Okay, because it is held in most of many results. Okay, so it is the festival very important. Okay, because it is held in the many part of the world, and the mostly participate. They going there in parade, and they enjoy. They wear colorful clothes, and they are doing dancing, music. Okay, singing, all. So it's a very important. So the name of is Mardi Gras. Okay. So now we are on the 3. It is a cultural and religious celebration. It's a cultural, okay, different part, different cities, different country. The cultural is different also. Okay, their cultural different. The religious also different there. Religious celebration held every year on 17th March. Okay, it is on the held. It is a cultural and religious celebration held every year on the 17th March. Okay, and in Ireland to mark the anniversary of the death of the Ireland's patron saint. Okay, is the one of the saint. Is the Ireland's patron saint, Saint Patrick. Saint Patrick. Okay, the name of its Ireland's patron saint. The name of Saint Patrick. Okay, it's the death anniversary of the Saint Patrick, and the different towns and the cities host their street parades and celebrations. People of Ireland wear a green to celebrate this day. Okay, means it's a cultural and religious celebration. Okay, which is the held every year on the 17th March. It's a particular day, 17th March. So in Ireland, to mark the anniversary of the date. It's the anniversary of the date of the island's patron saint. Okay, island's patron saint. The name of him, the Saint Patrick, and the different towns and the cities, different towns and the cities host their street parade. Okay, they host their street parade also. Okay, and the celebration. And they are doing celebration. People of Ireland wear green to celebrate this day. The all people which is participate in this parade, they wear a totally green colors clothes. Okay, and then they go to the host their street parades and the celebration. Okay, they wear a green to celebrate this day. It's a festival name of the Saint Patrick Day. Okay, we write here the Saint Patrick Day. It's a Saint Patrick Day. So now we are on the food fight festival held in last Wednesday every August. It's in a town in the Bulls, Spain. Participant and throw tomatoes and get involved in this tomato fight. The festival of this name is La Tomatina. Okay, and the second is the known as Fat Tuesday in English, and in a carnival festival celebrated in many parts of the world and colorful parades take over the cities of New Orleans with a song, music and dancing. And one of the most popular traditions is that the performs throughout the weeks that people catch as a treasure. It's called Mardi Gras. Okay, and the three number, it is the cultural and religious celebration held every year on 17th March, and in the island to mark the anniversary of the death of the island's patron saint. The name of him Saint Patrick, and different towns and cities host their street parades and celebration. People of Ireland wear green to celebrate this day. The name of its Saint Patrick Day. Then after we are on 4. This celebration is the celebration of Thai New Year involves sprinkling and throwing water to one another, and it refers to the traditional New Year celebration of April 13 in parts of India, China and much of southern Asia, and includes giant water fights, performance from the professional dancers and religious processions and other fun way to keep cool. Okay, it's a festival, and the name of the answer of this is the song Karan. Okay, we write here song. Okay, then after we are on the 5 number, festival of colors is primarily observed in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka and countries with large Indian diaspora such as South Africa, uh, Trinidad and United Kingdom, United States, Mauritius and Fiji. Mostly celebrated on the slate with a loud music, throwing colors and water on each other. The name of the festival is the Holi. Okay, it is Holi. It's the Holi festival. Now we complete this chapter. Okay.